Nnamdi Kanu 1 million movement is going on in the eastern part of the country. And I can see a lot of Igbo men trying to ignore that fact.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, help me and share this particular video because it is very, very important for you to share this video and drop your thoughts under the comment section. Don't miss to watch this particular video because if you hear what this man said in this video, it will shock you. Just take a moment of your time and listen to him because he made a strong statement here, and I don't want any of us to miss this particular video. For those of you now where they try to ignore this Biafra movement, this particular video is for you. This man now, I don't know if whether this man is an Igbo person or a Nigerian soldier, but what I hear from him make me to bring this particular video here. So share as you watch this particular video like this. Do not forget to share and drop your thought under the comment section because your opinion matter a lot. Share this video and God will bless you. One love.
Nnamdi Kanu 1 million movement is going on in the eastern part of the country. And I can see a lot of Igbo men trying to ignore that fact, try to ignore that movement. I saw a lot of them going in and out of their businesses, right? I know many of you are going to say, concern una. The people where they move, make it that they move, right? But I'll still tell you for free, if they succeeded in giving what they are requesting for, hope you are also going to be part of the Igbo, part of the Biafra, right? And at the end of the day, you are going to say, thank God, oh, God have done it for you. Meanwhile, they are doing what can make that thing happen. Now you are busy carrying your business from one location to another in the name of you want to make money. I don't blame you. I blame the system of the black people, especially the Nigerians. Nigerian government will make every citizen to believe that the way of life is money. The government have never made the citizen to believe that there are more to life than money. That is the main, and that is the major reason why corruption is very solid in Nigeria. You see a young boy today want to acquire car houses, want to be landlord, you want to own a very expensive hotel in Nigeria. They don't know that there are more to life. Go to Europe and see. Government own all the properties in Europe. You see people loading money in Europe and all of that in the name of they want to buy everywhere. Because the government have designed the system that they are more to life. You see a billionaire in Europe, you will not know that it's a billionaire. They even carry escorts. They don't take money like anything. But a black man can hustle and forget that maybe tomorrow morning he will not be alive again. That is black man for you. And you can work for a black man for 20 years, 30 years. You will not achieve anything. You will not have anything to write home about. He wants you to be making that money for him so that he can be enriching himself. To tell you how useless, educated we the black people can be at times. You know now, but I don't respect people that call themselves professor. I don't respect people that call themselves they are PhD holders and all of that. I call Nigeria education like they are graduating illiterate because of what those leaders that claim that they are leading us as government governors and all of that, they are as useless as normal illiterate that doesn't go to school. Take a look at what Tinubu is implementing. How can a president implement things and you don't even care how the citizens will feel? That to tell you how illiterate he can be, plus every other member around him. So let us forget about Nigerian education. It doesn't add anything to citizens or add anything to our leaders. They are protesting in the eastern part of the law. You are busy, eastern part of the country. You are busy carrying your business for head. Based on you are made to be making money. They don't tell you, say people have come to make the money and gone.
If I am not afraid of the people who go to Biafra, I am afraid of them more than Nigerian government. But majority of them, I'm afraid of them more than Nigerian government. I'm afraid of them more than this guy because Nigeria is fully open. So you have already know Nigeria stand. So go about this year. You stand. Do you now understand? So joining anything, I don't join in nothing. No, as a concern, one fee Igbo, Murumiriana, Amon Igbo, Tona Igbo. Can say organic and the buy now, Walala, Ibaswa, can even buy an apple. What is happening? Diamond, if we put our open, stand there, stand there. Anytime if a man put our open, stand there, work stand there, you should know that man. Emma and of Tafana Ijele Sabo, Ijela Abro Sabo, anybody now Ijela Sabo, Ban imbecile, man, Sabo. You need to understand that word Sabo to use way man. What you Ijele no, you can't use Sabo on Ijele because Ijele may stand. You know he stand. Only must stand on your feet. Don't call that person Sabo. Ndana was a boni ni. Onya de kwako odio to. Odi kwako odio to. That's not onya de kwako Sabo. I'm not gonna it's not Sabo because you're not sure. You're not, but Ijele is not doing that. He's out, fully out, 100% out. That you know he stand. So people like that, you don't use the word Sabo on them. And my friend, outside of the meaning of Sabo. What is so good here? People who phone Biafra on social media. Most of them, the worse than Fulani men, far the worse than bandit. Oh, what happened? This people, the as in, who made this? Away for this people. Fuck you, you took blood, not you. Now, get we know. And now, what has opportunity we begin to can we support these people? You can now wonder, or whenever first we got just normal people, without conscience, a book and they book so people as that about you without no single evidence. A mono if I may bring any woman be. Okay, we get it. You're not going to call Catapama. At the time, if one feature will come on, then we will put another person. I think the blackmail be too much. My question now, we're not getting. I look at not getting. Can you imagine very for you now? There were a number of people say, my brothers and my dad not back in when anything organization. What do you want me to say? When blackmail is order of the day, when people cannot freely air their own opinion, and then the worst of it, everybody now was a Nigerian agent to people. Every single body now, Nigerian agent, Nigerian agent, Nigerian agent. Kill almost everybody now. One day, Nigerian agent. Without any single evidence from anywhere, Nigerian agent, without any single evidence. Not working in here. What is happening? Igbo against you. Are you happy with what is going on? People talk more about themselves than Nigerian government and Igbo. So what is happening?
God bless all the Biafrans. God bless all the lovers of freedom. God bless Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Simon Ekpa. God bless Ngozi Orabueze. Listen to me. I don't care to know what you're going to say, but I have to tell you that God will bless you watching this video. Something is happening on the ground right now in Nigeria and the whole world. This issue of Biafra you are hearing all over the world right now started from the White House. And that is the reason why Israeli parliament started talking about Biafra right now and demanding for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Listen. If Satan knows very well that after crucifying Jesus Christ, that Jesus Christ is going to overpower him, Satan will never allow Jesus Christ to die. Jesus Christ will be alive forever. If Nigeria government know very well that Nnamdi Kanu will be recognized internationally, that the issue of Biafra will become this hot by this time, let me tell you, they will release Nnamdi Kanu immediately Tinubu entered office so that he will start afresh. And the thing will be elongating. I don't know if you understand. But because this is the appointed time for the Biafrans to go, that is why God even hardened the heart of the leaders of this country, making our politicians to be blind. It is not happening. Something is happening on the ground. Have you asked yourself why America and Britain had a little was? I don't know if you understand. Well, I don't want to say too much. Remember what I said. I will be this young to celebrate Biafra. And you watching this video, you will be alive to celebrate Biafra. Surely, Biafra is coming. Biafra is that promised land God promised his people. We are going to answer our real name. The name God of heaven gave to us. The name we know its meaning. Not Nigeria that was forced to us. If you're answering Oduduwa, you answer your name. You know the meaning of Oduduwa. If you answer Arewa, you know the meaning of Arewa. If you answer Biafra, you know the meaning of Biafra. So my brothers and sisters, God will bless all the Biafrans. And God will bless all the enemies of Biafra. I know very soon that Biafra will surely come and we will celebrate it. One love.